Okay, good morning students, second PEC students. Today let us start the next chapter, application of derivatives. In application of derivatives, first of all let us discuss the formulas, some fundamental formulas. Cone, sphere, square, cylinder, cube, rectangle, circle, these are areas and surface areas and volumes, circumference. These are first. Let us discuss the first one. First one, application of derivatives. The next chapter is application of derivatives. Application of derivatives. Application of derivatives. This is the 10 marks, 5 marks question, 3 marks question, 2 marks question. The 10 marks chapter. Only derivative applications. First, let us discuss the first one, square. Square, area of square, area A is equal to area of the square x square. What is the diagram? This is the x. In square, all sides are equal. The area is denoted by capital A. The area of square is side into side, x square. The perimeter or circumference, perimeter P or S, perimeter P is equal to the count the 4, adding the 4 sides, 4x. Perimeter means chuttu kolte, around this one, all total length. Total length means this x, 4x. Next, second one, rectangle. Area A is equal to x into y. What is the diagram of rectangle? This is length x, breadth y. So x in length into breadth. So perimeter is equal to, these are y, x. Perimeter means the total distance. So 2x plus 2y. Third one, circle. This is the circle. Center, radius. Circle area A is equal to pi r square. Perimeter P is equal to 2 pi r. Perimeter P is equal to 2 pi r. Next, fourth one, cube. You know cube? This is cube. All sides are equal. In the cube, all sides are equal. In the cube, not an area, volume. This is the 2-dimensional, cube is the 3-dimensional. So cube, volume, there is no area. Volume is denoted by V. Volume is x cube. There is no perimeter. In 3-dimensional, there is no perimeter. Surface area. Surface area. Surface area S is equal to 6 into x square. Surface area S is equal to 6 into x square. Next, cone. Okay. Next, cone. Cone is, this is cone. This is L, height. This is radius R. This is the theta. Volume. This is the theta. Volume V is equal to pi r square h. Volume of the cone 1/3 pi r square h. Volume of the cone 1/3 pi r square h. Next, cylinder. Cylinder means this is height, radius. Cylinder volume V is equal to pi r square h. Okay. Next, sphere. 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 Volume. Volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Volume of the sphere 4/3 pi r cube. There is no height. Okay, volume of the cone 1/3 pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder pi r square h. So volume of the sphere 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, this one. First, this is discussed. Okay, listen carefully. Look at this. First of all, application of derivatives. After this is the formulas, one by one formulas. Write down. Okay, next, this is main important. The first chapter, rate of change or rate measure. In the first topic is rate measure or rate of change. In the first topic, compulsory 5 marks question. 5 marks question. 5 marks question will come. Okay, next. Let us go to next topic. Velocity. Physics, in physics also. Velocity. What is velocity? Acceleration. What is the displacement? Velocity, acceleration. This one. Display in the mathematics, displacement is nothing but distance. Displacement is nothing but distance. Okay, what is the velocity definition? Velocity, the rate of change in displacement. The rate of change in displacement. The rate of change in displacement is called velocity. The rate of change in displacement. Rate of change in displacement. The displacement is denoted by small s. The displacement is denoted by small s. The velocity is denoted by v. Velocity. Velocity means what? The rate of change in displacement. The rate of change in displacement means ds by dt. ds by dt. What is the meaning of ds by dt? The rate of change in displacement. The displacement is nothing but s. Okay, rate of change in s. The rate of change in s is denoted by ds by dt. Okay, the rate of change. What is the acceleration? What is the acceleration? Acceleration is denoted by small a. What is the definition of acceleration? The rate of change in velocity. The rate of change in velocity. ds by dt, dv by dt. Velocity, rate of change. Velocity is denoted by v. The rate of change in velocity means dv by dt. The acceleration is denoted by small a. or dv by dt or v is what? V is what? ds by dt. One time derivative with respect to t. So dv by dt is nothing but d square s by dt square. Once again, the rate of change in displacement is called velocity. The velocity is denoted by v. V is equal to ds by dt in mathematical. ds by dt. Acceleration. The rate of change in velocity is called acceleration, equal to dv by dt or d square s by dt square. Okay. Next, the rate of change in volume. Okay, velocity, acceleration is clear. Next, one by one examples. The rate of change in volume. How to write? The rate of change in volume. Volume is denoted by v. Volume is denoted by v. The rate of change in volume equal to dv by dt. Derivative of application of derivatives. So applications with respect to t. In derivative with respect to x. Here with respect to t, because any rate of change is denoted by time, by the depending on the time. Any work depending on time. 2 meter per second, 100 meters per second, time, minute, 1 hour, 20 kilometers per hour. Totally depending on time. That's why with respect to t. The rate of change in surface area is denoted by ds by dt. The rate of change in area is nothing but dA by dt. The rate of change in perimeter, dp by dt. Okay, the rate of change in x coordinate dx by dt in the point x comma y. In the point x comma y, x is called x coordinate, y is called y coordinate. The rate of change in y coordinate dy by dt. By dt must be by dt compulsory. So numerator derivative with respect to which one? X coordinate or y coordinate? Volume, surface area, perimeter, area, this one, anyone. So this one, this is the rate of the rate of change in volume of a sphere. Find the rate of change in volume of a sphere. Okay, this is the main point. This is the main point. Rate of change or increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing rate of change, error. These all are same. Okay, the side of the square is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. At the same time, perimeter increasing rate is what? This one. This type of questions. Okay, you have to remember. Which one you remember? dV by dt. What is the meaning of dV by dt? The rate of change in volume, the rate of change in surface area, the rate of change in area, the rate of change in perimeter, the rate of change in x coordinate, the rate of change in y coordinate, the rate of change in theta. The rate of change in theta means d theta by dt. The rate of change in gamma, d gamma by dt. Anyone, this type. Okay, first we have to perfect cone, cylinder, sphere, cube. These all are formulas. Volume, what is the volume of the sphere, what is the surface or surface area of the sphere. The formulas very easy, but 5 marks question, compulsory question. Okay. The first topic is rate of change. Rate of change of quantities. This one, 5 marks. So go to exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. The first problem is textbook, very important textbook. Without textbook means it is a heavy problem. Okay. You have to bring textbook, otherwise problem not understanding. So many problems are there. So the textbook is important. Find the rate of change of the area. First question, find the rate of change. Find the rate of change of area. ಏನು ಬೇಕು? Area rate of change ಬೇಕು. What we want? Area rate of change of area. Rate of change of area means area is denoted by capital A. Rate of change of area means dA by dt. We have to calculate dA by dt. Which one? Area. Which one? Area? Circle. Of circle. With respect its radius. With respect its radius. When r is equal to, when first one r is equal to 3 centimeters, second one r is equal to 4 centimeter. With respect to its radius means with respect to r, derivative with respect to r. Okay, anyone not given means with respect to t. Here he mentionedly given, perfectly given its radius. With respect to its radius means derivative with respect to r. So first one, change of area. Area of the circle. Area of circle A is equal to pi r square. What we have to calculate? The rate of change of area of circle with respect to radius. With respect to radius means derivative with respect to r. Okay, with respect to r. Differentiate with respect to r. dA by dr is equal to, pi is always constant. Derivative of x square. Derivative of x square is equal to 2x. Derivative of r square with respect to r means 2r. That is equal to 2 pi into r is equal to 3. That is equal to 6 pi. What is the increasing rate? Rate of change of area. Which type of range? 6 pi per second or centimeters. Okay. The second one is, second bit to homework same as it is. The second one is the volume of the cube is increasing. Wow. The volume of the cube. The volume of the cube. Which one volume? Cube volume. The volume of the cube increasing. The volume of the cube increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. Centimeter cube means what? Volume. What we have to given? What we have to given? Volume. Which volume? Cube volume. Cube volume rate means dV by dt. How fast is the surface area? How fast is the surface area? How fast is the surface area? Increasing when the length of increasing when the length of an edge is 12 centimeters. An edge is 12 centimeter. Okay. Solution. In solution, what we have to given? What will given? 8 centimeter cube per second. Per second means increasing area, increasing rate. Okay, increasing rate. Okay, so given, what will given? dV by dt is equal to 8 centimeter cube per second. Next, what we have to find out? How fast is the surface area increasing? The surface area is denoted by S. ds by dt is question mark. The increasing when the length of an edge is x is equal to 12. Okay, next, what is the surface area? So volume of the cube is x cube. So dV by differentiate with respect to t, because dV by dt, what is the meaning of rate of change, or increasing or decreasing means with respect to t. So dV by dt is equal to x cube derivative 3x square into x derivative dx by dt with respect to t means derivative of t is equal to 1, not derivative of x is equal to 1. Okay, so dv by dt is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. X is given 12. Next, dv by dt is given 8. 8 is equal to 3 into 12 square into dx by dt So dx by dt is equal to 8 by 3 into 12 square. 12 square means 12 into 12. So 4 2s 4 3s, 2 1s 2 6, 1 by 54. dx by dt is equal to 1 by 54. Now what we have to find out? ds by dt, surface area S is equal to 6x square. ds by dt is equal to 6 into derivative of x square 2x into derivative of x is equal to dx by dt. So 6 into 2 into what is x? 12 into what is dx by dt? 1 by 54. 6 1s 6 9s, 3 3s 3 4s, that is equal to 8 by 3. ds by dt is equal to 8 by 3. ds by dt is equal to 8 by 3. 8 by 3 centimeter per second. Surface area means what? Volume means cubic centimeters. Surface area means square centimeters. Centimeter square per second. Centimeter square per second. Okay. Okay. Okay, next problem, listen carefully. Third one. The radius of a circle, the radius of a circle The radius of a circle is increasing uniformly. Is increasing uniformly. Is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeters per second. At the rate of 3 centimeter per second. 3 centimeter per second. Radius increasing rate. Radius increasing rate means the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle is denoted by r. Is increasing means rate of change. Uniformly, the rate of 3 centimeter per second means what we have to given, what will given, dr by dt is given. Next, find the rate at which the area find the rate at which the area find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing. When the radius is 10 centimeters. When radius is 10 centimeter. Solution. What was given? The radius rate of change. Radius rate of change means dr by dt is equal to 3 centimeters per second. Find the rate at which the area of the circle means dA by dt is question mark is increasing when the radius r is equal to 10 centimeter. Circle area of circle area is, we have to find out area of increasing rate. So area of circle A is equal to pi r square. Derivative with respect to t, because dr by dt, dA by dt with respect to t. So dA by dt is equal to pi into derivative of r square 2r. Derivative of r square 2r into again derivative of r dr by dt 2 pi into what is r 10 into dr by dt is equal to 3, that is equal to 10 into 3 30, 30 into 2 60, 60 pi. dA by dt is equal to 60 pi centimeter square per second, because the area is centimeter square, volume cube centimeter cube, so centimeter per second. Radius increasing rate 3 centimeter per second. Okay, that's why area increasing rate to 60 into pi centimeter square per second. This is the problem. Okay, tomorrow I'll continue the next models, very important 5 marks questions in rate of change. Okay, thank you.